Hi, I'm Tom Kraeutler from the Money Pit, and fall is the Goldilocks season for home improvement. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. So here's some great projects you might want to think about. Let's start with flooring. One of the most popular home improvement projects for this time of year, and we're seeing a lot of homes where consumers are mixing floor colors and shades for a totally unique look. Now, if you combine floors that are complementary in style, but they vary just enough in color and width, you can really get a beautiful look. For example, this is from Lumber Liquidators, and these products are the rattan and Seaport Maple. If you mix them together, you get a beautiful pattern that doesn't overwhelm, but really makes a nice statement for your interior design. You can do it with a single color flooring like Governor's Estate Oak Hardwood. It's got high shade variation, or even the Pebble Stone Oak Laminate. And when you mix and match colors, patterns, plank widths, the design options are really endless. You can learn more at Lumber Liquidators showrooms or lumberliquidators.com. Now let's talk about a couple of cool smart home products for this time of year. You know, as technology improves, we're seeing more function and convenience built into these smart home products. This is a great example from First Alert. It's called the One Link Safe and Sound. It's the first smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with a superior home speaker and built-in Amazon Alexa. Now think about it. It makes life easy. You're playing music, you got great premium sound, you've got that natural acoustic backdrop from the ceiling working for you, and you can talk to Alexa, give her simple hands-free commands, play music, check the weather, check the traffic, whatever. At the same time though, it's protecting your home with smoke, fire, and carbon monoxide functionality, and it'll even alert you on your cell phone in the event of a smoke or carbon monoxide emergency. It'll tell you both the type of the danger and the location in the home. Easy to install, works with your existing wiring. Now, another electrical update you might want to think is to improve the lighting in your home by adding a dimmer. The days are getting shorter, so it's nice to have a little control over that lighting, and the Lutron dimmers enable you to create that perfect amount of light for family gatherings. Now, every dimmer provides about 250 lighting levels. You can totally customize it. Highest rated, most reviewed dimmer on Amazon, by the way, 4.2 stars and over 3,000 reviews. And we're talking about a 15-minute installation. They've got tech support they can walk you through, and these dimmers have been tested on thousands of bulbs and dozens of brands for flicker-free dimming. There's no neutral wire required, so it works in old homes too. And finally, painting. Great fall project, but did you ever notice that people spend more time picking out the paint than they do the paintbrush? Listen, if you buy a lousy paintbrush, you're going to get a lousy paint job. You don't want to do that. Purdy has been making paintbrushes since 1925. Now, they make all the painting tools you need for prep for painting and cleanup, but from 1925 they've been making good quality brushes, and that's important because you get better paint distribution, you get sharper lines, you don't have to use as much masking tape, you get smooth finish, you don't have the brush strokes or marks, or when the bristles actually fall off and get stuck. It's terrible, right? Buy a good brush, won't happen to you. If you're a DIYer, you're going to get pro results with a Purdy brush. And these guys are proud of their work. Some of these brush makers have been making brushes for 20 or 30 years. And in fact, every Purdy brush maker signs the brush when they're done making it. So you know these guys are really proud and are doing a great job. So think about it. If you're going to tackle paint projects, buy good quality paint tools. You'll be a lot happier with the results. Now, if you want more tips or advice, you can head on over to our website, and that's at moneypit.com.